This is a destructive storm for West Salem and Bone Gap. Expected hazards include 90 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Mount Carmel, Albion, Lancaster, West Salem, Allendale, Belmont, Bone Gap, and Browns. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for South Central and Southeastern Illinois and Southwestern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following